everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna talk about the Nykaa recommendation haul, which includes both makeup plus skincare. Also, what are the things that I purchased from this Nykaa Love Cell, the pink Love Cell right here. I have received this parcel within one day, like it was all one day delivery, so I'm super happy with. I ordered it on Friday maybe. Yeah, Saturday, I don't exactly remember, and I got the next day, so I'm super happy. So these are my absolute favorite ones in the skincare. Also, I have some beautiful, amazing recommendation for the makeups as well. Those are at a huge discount this time on this pink Love Cell. So without any further ado, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. This time pink Love Cell was like huge. I saw certain amazing discounts regarding the skincare and makeup as well that I will show you eventually. And now let me first go with the skincare. First let me start with the ones I have ordered. So the first thing that I'll be talking about that I bought recently from Nykaa itself. I know I have never talked about this face wash before because often पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता था it will be too expensive and stuff, so I didn't go back. But I have used it before as well, and I loved it. So this is kind of my repurchase because this one is from Simple. It's one of the best face wash available on the market. This is so gentle and subtle on the skin. It's for all skin types. And the best part is that it does not have any artificial color or fragrance for that matter. So there's no chance of breaking out. And if you're having this acne related issues, you can definitely with eyes closed, you can just use it. It's so beautiful. And it also has vitamin E and pro vitamin I think B5 that makes it super hydrating. So I'm just loving this face wash, and I'm happy that I got this after a long time in the sale. So this one cost me I think around 230 or 240 ish, and originally it retails for rupees 400. Also it's like for 150 ml. Usually what the face washes we get are like 100 ml, but yeah, this I think a steal deal, and it's so beautiful face wash. I just love it. So yeah, the first one has to be this from the Simple. Okay, so next one from the parcel itself, I will talk about a moisturizer, and by the size of this one you can see how much I love this moisturizer. Let me tell you, I'm a dry skin girl, then also I love gel based moisturizer than a cream based, I would say. Yeah, but there are days my preference changes, but as the summer season are coming, it's on the way, so I thought that gel moisturizer will be the best for all skin types for that matter. And this Pond's this is called the Hydra Miracle face wash, and it contains hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is my favorite acid, like favorite serum for that matter, because it hydrates, and any dry skin girl will love hyaluronic acid in their stuffs, in their makeups, or in their skincare for that matter. So this has to be there in my vanity, and I got the biggest stuff. So this one I think retails for around 700 and so, but I got it in the 300. I got it for the rupees 300. This is a 300 ml tub. How big the tub is, you can see. This is, I just love it. Let me show you the texture of this. I haven't opened it yet, but let me show you. It's so beautiful. This moisturizer reminds me of the Plum 2% niacinamide moisturizer, which is like stunning. So this is how the moisturizer look like. It's so beautiful. It's pura as a gel, like and smells amazing. So I just love this moisturizer, and see how beautiful the texture is. So yeah, it's going again inside, and I think this is the best purchase from the sale. The MRP of this tub is 649. I got it 300 or so. Yes, so love it, absolutely love this moisturizer. Okay, so talking about moisturizer, I have to say this, that this moisturizer has changed my overall skincare game, and this is from the Plum. I have done this, I got in PR, to be really very honest, and after that I'm loving using it, and this I received in December itself. Till then, December या फिर November के end में already I received it, and I am using this one religiously. Let me tell you, my skin overall, how it became hydrated over the period of time. Like naturally it boosted up my skin ka barrier to make it proper hydrating and all, and at the same time the blemishes I used to have has changed over the period of time. I mean, this is awesome. Okay, so what I was saying is, this is also a gel based moisturizer. The two key ingredients in it is a killer ingredients that I can tell you. So it contains 2% niacinamide and rice water. I mean, both hydrating and one claims to remove this blemishes on the face, which is like an ancient practice in our from the history itself. So I just love using this moisturizer, because after using this overall I do not have to use any serum और मुझे extra जाके और एक product नहीं use करना पड़ता है, because this has all in itself. So I just love it. I recommend it my friends, my family. This is a beautiful, and now with you all, because it's a beautiful product that you should include in your skincare game, and trust me, you're gonna love it. The texture of this one is to die for, and I'm already obsessed with this moisturizer. And any day, whether it be winter or summer, it's so beautiful. It just maintains that good hydration. At the same time, the blemishes are like, God, it's magic. It's literally a magic product. You have to be very religious with this to see a visible result. That too for any products for that matter. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next one right now. So we have this, I got recently the Garnier's Micellar Water. This is one of my favorite micellar water. It has, this is kind of a oil infused in it. Being a dehydrated or being a dry skin girl, I always love my micellar water to have certain infused oil in it, so that and my skin won't feel super dry after removing my makeup. मतलब कि ये remove भी कर देता है makeup, because some makeups are like that. It's kind of oil से अच्छे से remove हो जाता है. So it has infused oil in it that makes sure that my skin is not dehydrating. At the same time, it clears out all the gunks, and my skin is super clean. So this is my favorite micellar water for that matter. You can use it on your eyes and the face to just rinse it off, and the thing is that it does not irritate your eyes. So जब भी सेल चलता है, इन सब में इतना अच्छा डिस्काउंट होता है कि you have to really stock up your stuffs, because makeup करना is all good, all fine, but skincare should be the ultimate game. Make sure that you have a proper micellar water and proper skincare routine to fix your skin overall. So yeah, अगर आपका base सही नहीं होगा तो any days makeup won't look good. So make sure you have certain backups and you have certain routine to follow on. So yeah. Okay, so these are the last two stuffs from the skincare itself. So I have got two beautiful sunscreen right here, and this is, oh my god, this sunscreen I always wishlisted, and I know I have always heard about this sunscreen over the period of time, people talking about this, and finally I got hands on this one. Was like a 50% off. This is from the Moody, and this is from the Deconstruct, and I'm like, I need to get hands on such a great discount for sunscreen, and summer season is coming. In general also throughout the year I apply sunscreen whenever I'm going out, also in my home. So the first one I have is from the brand called Moody. I hope this is how it pronounced as, and it is a hybrid water sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA 4+, like plus, and it contains hyaluronic acid and coconut water that makes it super hydrating. Your skin won't feel dry, no white cast whatsoever, because it's a water based one. And also the best part is that it's best for humid environment. So the packaging is very beautiful. It has this coconut detailing also going here, and I think it also contains aloe vera, maybe I have seen somewhere. Yeah, so it has definitely the hyaluronic acid and coconut, and yeah, it's supposed to be a very beautiful one. I'm so excited to try this. Let me show you the inner packaging. It's so cute. See, this is how it look like. I mean, isn't it so cute? And if I give you the this a little bit of how it looks. So yeah, so this is how beautifully it get absorbed into the skin. Smells delicious. Yeah, it really smells delicious. And in this sale, you're getting a 50% off on this. Initially, it cost like 600 and I got it for rupees 300. I think it's a steal deal overall, so I'm loving it. So a must try. This sunscreen smells delicious. So the next sunscreen we have is from the Deconstruct sunscreen. It is highly effective yet gentle. It is the lightweight gel sunscreen. Okay, the SPF of this one is 55 plus, and it also has PA+++. It claims that it is for all skin types. It prevents the tanning and sun-related aging. Also, it's a non-oily absorption with no white cast. And let me show you the packaging from inside. I think it's gonna be a tube-like, yes, very much tube-like packaging. I have seen it before, very much familiar with this packaging. This is how it look like. Let me show you how it is now. Okay, and here we go. Okay, the consistency is very different, and it's saying that it has no white cast. I will believe in it, and yeah, it pretty quickly absorbs, and it's definitely a very lightweight. It gives me that very cold, calming, soothing kind of effect as well. I think I love it. It is definitely very lightweight, as I can feel, and it gives that cooling kind of soothing sensation. So I really feel nice. Overall, I can't smell it because it's a very mild smelling, and I think I pretty love it. You also get a huge discount on it. Make sure you grab a lot of sunscreen because you need this in this summer. So okay, now moving to the last one that I bought from this sale is the Mars Ka eyebrow pencil. So this is a precision eyebrow pencil, and I love this pencil. I cannot think without it. If you have seen my recommendation hauls before as well, I have talked about this particular one quite some time now, and I already love it. You know my love for this particular one. It is the black one, the jet black color, called the Micro Precision one. So value for money, yet it comes with a brush as well as this precision wala pencil as well. It's a retractable pencil which I love the most because मुझे ना बहुत कंटाल आता है उसको sharpen करने में. So best, the retractable comes with a brush, and the price is so affordable and it's so precise. Just you can draw each of your this eyebrows. So I mean, best value for money. Okay, so now is the time that I recommend you some beautiful makeup that I have like arranged over here so that I can show you very quickly, because now I have to do quickly, otherwise the time span is running so fast. So first I will talk about a very beautiful skin tint. So if you want to get a very that beautiful natural everyday going makeup look, and you are not comfortable with the क्या बोलते हैं उसको foundation, heavy foundation and stuff, and you're looking for a very soothing tint on budget, this is for you. So this is the Swiss Beauty Skin Radiant Tint, and this I received in PR, and after that I am just loving it. It feels like a skin, like it's so skin like. It's like for everyday makeup, and you are wearing your skin itself, and the shade match is so perfect for me that I just can't tell you. So this is how it look like. It's the Swiss Beauty Select Ka product. It's not from Swiss Beauty, rather the premium version of Swiss Beauty is from the Swiss Beauty Select, and this is called the Super Radiant Skin Tint. It got this satin glow, it's hydrate and soothe. The claiming on this particular packaging is like, it's just mimic everything because it is so beautiful. It is enriched with vitamin B5 as well, super hydrating for that matter. And this is how the packaging look like. It's so cute. It comes in a pump like packaging. It's very easy to get the product out of the same thing, and see how runny the texture is. So yeah, I do not want to waste any product out of here because I will be not using. But anyways, this is so beautiful. So you can see, just it's very hydrating, it's very glowing, and so it won't feel like you have done any kind of makeup. I will show you how it looks there as well. But yeah, this is how the packaging is. Okay, I use this tint in the shade called 03 Sand Glow. This shade is so perfect for me that I can't tell you. No, ye zyada ho jayega. But anyway, this is very beautiful one. Please grab one wherever you see it. So it's a must try, and it's so affordable. Moving to the next one, it's from Swiss Beauty again. Is their blush. Now this blush is also the one I was introduced first through their PRs and stuff, and this is so beautiful. I have recommended this blush quite some time to my friends as well, because you know, it's so beautiful. So this is how basically the packaging look like. It's very cute, and this is how it is, and it comes with a lid like this. You have to open it, and there you go, you get a beautiful blush. Now this one in the shade called 06. It's a very nice orange to pink kind of sort of color, and if I swatch over here, so yeah, this is how beautiful the shade is. This is also very much hydrating at the same time because it contains jojoba complex that make it super hydrating. I have there this highlighted as well, but if you want to try with Swiss Beauties, please try with the blush first. This one you can skip as well, also you can get, it's up to your choice. They are super affordable, but this is a must have, and I so love this shade. So yeah, this is like something you need to make sure you have in your collection. And this is, I told you, it's in the shade called 06 Buffed with Rose, and super easy to travel with, and so travel friendly, so sweet, and the packaging is so cute. So yeah. Okay, so this tint I talk about for the ones who do not like to wear a foundation or any heavy stuff on their face as a base and want to do a daily makeup stuff. This is for them. But in case you want a little bit more coverage for a daily wear too, the most comfortable foundation for that matter is the L'Oreal Infallible this foundation. So I use it in the shade called 140 Cool. So this is the shade. This foundation is so beautiful. It is also like very tint like, but yet it gives much more coverage than this one right here. So these two foundation are my favorite ones currently. I love this foundation. I don't know ye sale pe hai ya nahi. Agar hai to grab it. You gonna love it. If you are like dry skin girl, PS, I'm a dry skin girl, so I'm recommending on the basis of a dry skin perspective. Although the skincare I have told you includes all skin type, but this one particularly, if you are a dry skin girl, you gonna love it. And I think the Maybelline ones, the Fit Me range, is moreover for the oily skin girl. That is my preference and my thinking. So this is so this foundation is very beautiful, and this is how the look is. The L'Oreal Infallible foundation. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I think I have almost finished it, if I'm not wrong, and this is, see, you can see the coverage difference. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, it's a very beautiful high coverage, yet it's so hydrating on the face, and it's beautiful. Okay, so we are into the last pieces of the makeups that I want to show you, and I really want that you should grab on this particular products, because I tell you, this comes in a set. K Beauty's this viral not bridal. So I got this in a terms of this K Beauty's bridal essential kit, and it has these 3 products inside it. I love it. This is the first time I'm trying any K-Beauty's product for that matter, and this product really has my heart. So first I have this very beautiful blush. It's the Velvet Cream blush in this shade called Awaken. Very beautiful blush. And next I have their K-Beauty's this Hydra Cream lipstick. I have just messed it up with the foundation I had. So this is a Hydra Cream lipstick. This is particularly in the shade called Panache, which happens to be Katrina's favorite shade as well. And lastly, I have a beautiful brown long-lasting kajal. Amazing. This one glides. If you haven't seen this video or this shot right here, you have to check it out to see how beautiful these products are. I'm not giving you any kind of swatches or whatsoever because I have already done before. Check out that before buying it and you're gonna love it. So yeah, these are the products that you get as a set. So these are the things. You get it as a set for rupees 1800, I would say, and I bought it under rupees like for rupees 1700 or so, and I think this is a steal deal. Okay, so that's it for this video. That's where all my recommendation, my Nykaa sale recommendation this year for the Pink Love sale. I hope you love it. It includes all the makeup as well as skincare as I have shown. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.